Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have an exciting video. I got sent these Btartbox collab nails with long hair pretty nails. The packaging is super cute. I chose the medium almond set. So on the side it shows you that you get Petite Jardine, Blue Whisper, Velvet Meadow, Sunspot Real, and the First Glow. And these are soft gel press-on nails. So obviously you get 5 designs like I showed you, and you get 160 nails in here. You have to apply these with regular nail glue. They are not UV nails because they do have some designs on the areas that you would need to cure with, but I've never tried their collab nails. She did a collab with them before and they looked so pretty, but I never got to try them. So we're going to try these out today. I'm going to show you every set up close, but we're going to apply a set of these with some press-on nail glue. And I'm super excited to see the quality of them because obviously they already have the builder gel and the top coat applied. So this is going to be super fast. And I'm also very excited about that because I like fast nails. Yeah, so we're going to open these up, take a look, and I do want to try out this gel glue that I got from Amazon. This is like a semi-solid nail glue gel. I've just been dying to try this out, so we're going to try that. We're going to try these, and let's get into it. Oh, and also I forgot to mention, they did send me their new ceramic cuticle pusher oil pen. I didn't get to try this out just yet, but I will in a future video very soon. I'm super excited about this because I already had done my cuticle work and stuff before I realized that I had gotten this. So look forward to that. This is what their brush-on nail glue looks like. I have tried this before. I really like it. I use it with my press-on toenails all the time. Like the pair that I have on right now, I've had on for at least 2 weeks. No problems at all. This is super strong. So I absolutely love this. I just want to try this out. This is very trustworthy press-on nail glue gel. And they nicely also sent me their press-on nail glue remover, which I have reviewed a couple of videos down. It worked so well, so if you're interested in that, definitely go check that out in my videos. This is really good. Obviously, the packaging is super cute. Very cute. I love the like holographic look that everything has. So yeah, I just did want to quickly mention these things. Very good nail glue, very good remover, and we will definitely try this out. Also, just want to say, my nails are in a disgusting shape right now, so I apologize ahead of time, but we're here to cover them up, right? So, let's get in here and take a look. Okay, oh my goodness, they feel so strong. So here we have Petite Jardine. So it's a pink and white French tip with some 3D flowers and some caviar beads. These are really cute. And underneath looks like how the X-coat tips do. Very pretty. Then we have, what is this one called? Blue Whisper. Pink French tip with a blue ombre. Pink base with a blue French tip and some ombre lighter blue. And then you have these right here. Also very gorgeous. These feel like really strong, so I'm really excited about that. Then we have Velvet Meadow, which is actually a cat eye. This is super pretty. I really also like the coffin set. I'm very tempted. I want those. They're so beautiful, and the stilettos, but I don't want to poke the baby. So this is Sunspot Real. Very cute. I'm thinking I want to try these today. And then we have the First Glow, which is a light pink with a hot pink center and some 3D bow, heart, and star accents. Very cute. So these say get up to 2 weeks of wear. So if you wear each set, that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 weeks of nails. So that's like pretty crazy. So here we have everything. This is so exciting. I cannot wait to try these. I think we're gonna do this one. I think. Wow, I wasn't filming that. I said a whole spiel that I am using rubber base because my nails are disgusting. I buffed them lightly with this and wiped off with alcohol. And I also said I'm not sure how much of this glue I need to use, but I think we're looking good. Just holding it down. These are so cute. Okay. Can you see what this glue looks like? It's so strange. I'm so used to liquid nail glues. It's working nice though. I haven't worn press-on nails in a while. I've really done a number on my nails here. I'm really hoping that these stay on. These are so cute. I am liking this glue, but we will see because I will just see how it lasts. The Btartbox one is my favorite right now, but these are so adorable. Look at that. Oh my god, I just realized I haven't been filming this with flash. Look. So cute. So I'm just going to apply the other hand too, and then we'll come back and file the tips. That's literally it. Okay, so they're all on, looking super, super cute. I am obsessed. We just need to file the tips. I am really liking this glue, I think, but it does appear, I mean, I used a good amount of it. At the same time, it's okay because I don't have any gaps. Usually I have a problem with that, like with press-on nails and stuff. Like I won't have used enough glue. I don't know if my nails are curved or I don't know, but this, I don't have any gaps happening. So all you have to do next is just file the tips of these. Literally, that's it. And you're ready to go. Just like that. So I'm going to do that on all of these. They feel super sturdy. Definitely, I can tell there's builder gel and top coat on these. So I really think that they will hold up nicely. Oops. Let me know down below. Did you order anything from this collection? I definitely would like to hear it. I really thought it was cute, girly, spring, summer, friendly, and I really love the coffin set too. I've been slowly, possibly, I always do almonds, but I've been loving coffins lately. I don't know what's happening to me. Also, let me know down below, what is your favorite nail shape at the moment? And does yours change, or are you like a ride or die for a certain shape? That was so fast. These are so cute. I'm excited. I can't wait to try out the other sets. And again, thank you so much, Btartbox, for sending these my way. We gave my little gross stubs a nice makeover, and hopefully these stay on so I don't keep messing with my nails. I need to stop. And another thing, this, like I said, I showed it in my Amazon haul. You get a 2-pack for like $8, so we will see. Is it worth it? I have a feeling it is. Alright, enough rambling on. I hope this was helpful. I hope it gave you a look at the nails if you were interested in this medium almond set. And I love you guys. Leave me a like and a comment down below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you, Btartbox. Love you guys.